am Saint Germain, guardian of the violet flame. Saint Germain, Saint Germain, Saint Germain of the violet flame. Go ahead and repeat that refrain, my name, 3 times, Saint Germain. Saint Germain, Saint Germain, Saint Germain of the violet flame. 3 times, 3 times. Saint Germain, Saint Germain, Saint Germain of the violet flame. Saint Germain, Saint Germain, Saint Germain of the violet flame. Saint Germain, Saint Germain, Saint Germain of the violet flame. Saint Germain, Saint Germain, Saint Germain of the violet flame. Saint Germain, Saint Germain, Saint Germain of the violet flame. 3 more sets. Saint Germain, Saint Germain, Saint Germain of the violet flame. Saint Germain, Saint Germain, Saint Germain of the violet flame. Saint Germain, Saint Germain, Saint Germain of the violet flame. I am with you always. The vibration of my name is extremely powerful at this time, as I am holding the Lord energy of the new age, as I am holding the vibration of the new age, as I am holding, along with others, the portal open to bring the light in, to increase the light in. So the energy field around the planet is so much more porous, and that is creating a greater deal of discord. The discord would not be allowed to happen on your earth if there were not those souls capable of transforming it. There is a great many souls opening on your planet. There's a great many souls that have come in the last 20, 25 years that are ready to open on your planet. Sure, some of them have fallen into oblivion, have fallen into ignorance and pain, but many others are opening, and those openings will continue to ripple, and new souls will shine light, will bring new solutions, will bring new energies to the earth. Believe that, for it is happening. You look at those problems on the earth that are surfacing now, that are remnants of roots of problems that you have had on your earth for many centuries. You look at those and you see them. What you do not realize is that they are the end. Imagine pulling a deep root out of the earth, a root that goes on, almost like a cartoon when you see your cartoon character reaching to pull a plant and pulling and pulling and pulling, and just the roots getting longer, or like a magician does when they pull a many-colored scarf out of an egg, just going on and on and on. And so what you are seeing is the end of it. You are not seeing the beginning of it. You are seeing the end of it. It is a time for transmutation. What helps with the transmutation is your ability to be fully present in the moment. All of you. Every single vibratory cell in the body. And so you are becoming more sensitive, and you are feeling things. Your dream time is becoming more packed with visions, with colors, with images. Your inner being is feeling more sensitive to old triggers. And you are understanding, though, the roots of those triggers. This has been the power of the last 6 weeks or so, is that each and every sensitive has had the opportunity to look at the roots of that distortion, that pain, that old soul scar, that wound. And in looking at the roots of them, with a calmness, with a presence of acceptance, with a presence of just being, you can transform them. You see, dear ones, many of you are still criticizing the self for not being what you consider perfection. There is not one of you in this circle that understands perfection yet, and the true nature of perfection. You have projected on it ideals. You have projected on it pictures. You have projected on it a specific way of looking. Perfection is such a powerful vibration of raw creative force. Perfection is such a powerful vibration. It has not been touched with projections, belief systems, thoughts. It has not been touched by the need to reform or control. Now then, I will speak to you about things that are perhaps more easier for your consciousness to fully understand. We understand that your heart is understanding perfection as we speak it. We also understand that you do not fully understand. You do not fully understand through perfection, joy, or love as much as you understand through your own self-criticism and your judgment and criticism of others. So let's look at the idea of your perfect day, your perfect body, your perfect dinner, your perfect party, your perfect significant other, your perfect child, your perfect song, your perfect instrument, your perfect painting. You see, you have a picture of perfection, an individualized picture of perfection. There's nothing wrong with the individualized picture of perfection. It's part of what displayed God Goddess in so many millions and trillions of ways on the planet. It's part of what made the uniqueness and the understanding of uniqueness and many different perceptions accessible to the human mind. And so as your mind is expanding, and truly it is, the understanding of your scientists on your earth of the brain is becoming much more vast and much more profound, because it is beginning, that understanding is merging with an understanding of the heart, an understanding of the power of love. And so the scientist is transforming. Everything is transforming.